Okay, next weld. Brush this a little bit, see what we got going. See these here? That's stainless. Okay, we straighten this out a little bit. Now this is the first welding course. Once I twist this, it will be welded again to make sure if anything opened up during the twist. I'm going to turn this forge off, then I'll discuss what we did today. Okay. So, as you can see, the bar is welded. It is one piece now. You still got that little piece of stainless hanging off the end here. But that'll all be ground off to about there. It was about half to 3/4 inch of length on this. If you look closely, see if I can zoom in with this. You can see the wires going diagonally from the bottom left to the upper right. What you're seeing there is the weld seams of the wire, and that's what gives you the pattern. You're seeing the grain differences in the carb content of the parent material 1070, the decarburization in the weld seam. That's what gives you the pattern, like spaghetti or spider webs or lizard skin, whatever you want to call it. That's the reason why I threw the stainless in there, is to break that up and give it a little more character and a little more color. This material, as I said before, is a great material for confidence building, to learn how to forge weld, learn welding temperatures, working ranges. It's very forgiving because it's 1070. 10 series steels are some of the finest steels a bladesmith can use. They're not as fancy or as hoity-toity as, say, AEBL or, all these wonder alloys, stuff like that. Because, good carbon steel can cut like crazy if it's properly heat treated and work. And heat treating is the most important thing in a blade, that and blade geometry. We'll discuss that later. But anyway, I think it worked. I'm going to call this for a quit right now. I'm going to see if I can edit this thing, and hopefully everything turned out. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your interest. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. I'm going to try my best to make these videos better and better. Hopefully this one will work. And have a wonderful evening. Oh, by the way, it is 17:22 on Memorial Day 2025, and my thermometer says 127 degrees by the forge. Yeah, baby, I'm hot to go. Anyway, thank you so much. May the wise Lord bless and keep you all. Good night. Remember those that have fallen in defense of our great nation. May their spirits and memories live on. We have incurred a debt to them that we can never repay. God bless them. May the Lord take it kindly to their afterwards. Good night.